Good afternoon, students. This is Sabuni Dhara. Welcome to my channel. Today we will going to see the next part, which is called as organizing. In the last video, lecture video, we have saw about the organizing introduction. So today we will going to see about the meaning of organizing. So let's start. Organizing is the process of identifying, bringing the required resources together, such as men, money, material, machine, and methods, grouping and arranging them properly for achieving the objectives. So organizing, it is one kind of a process for identifying the work to get the organized things like men, money, material, and machine, this 4M, and with the methods, that is 5M, and to make them in a group and to arrange in a proper manner to achieve the goal, to achieve the objective, to achieve the aim of the organization is what called organizing. So in planning, the management decides what is to be done in future, whereas organizing functions decides the ways and means to achieve what has been planned. So it is nothing but they are just talking about, it is one kind of a planning by the management whose decision is very much important for organizing such kind of functions to achieve our planning objective. On the other hand, this function is very much important for the execution of the plan and also to prepare at the by the top level of management people. So yes, organizing is very much important to execute the things. So for the execution to implementation of all those plans made by the top level of people or management, that organizing should be there. The synchronization and the combination of the workforce, physical, financial, and information resources are established in the process of organizing. So these all are the process which is very, very important for the organizing. Move on to the next, that is definition. The term organization is used to denote the structure. It is a unit or a group of people who come together to achieve a common goal, whereas organizing is a process and a function. Some of the definitions are as follows. So these all are the two main professors who have given us the definition of perfect organizing to define the word or the term organizing. So the first one is, according to the Professor Kunz and O'Donnell, organization involves the grouping of activities. Yes, organization deals with the human resources. Of course, they will going to make and involved in the group activities, which is to be accomplished goals and plans. So it includes goals, that is objectives, aims, and planning. The assignments of these activities to appropriate departments and the provisions of the authority, delegation, and coordination. So these all are the very important points which we need to keep in consideration while doing or placing the organizing in the organization. So this is it, what the Kunz and the O'Donnell is talking about. Organizing it's one kind of a process to achieve the goals and aim of the organization by putting the appropriate things and departments in a proper way. Move on to the next, that is, according to the Professor Mooney and Rayleigh, organization is the form of every human association for the attainment of a common purpose. For the common purpose, it is very, very important to associate with the attainment of a common purpose. Move on to the next one, that is importances of the organizing, which is very, very important. So the very first point they are talking about facilitates administration as well as operation. The next one is brings specialization, defines the job properly, clarifies authority and responsibility, establishes coordination, helps for effective administration, helps for growth and diversification, create sense of security, scope for innovation, helps in optimum utilization of resources. So these all are the importances of the organizing, which is actually very, very beneficial and very important for us. So let's start with the next. The very first point is facilitates administration as well as operations. So of course organizing helps in the administration as well as for the operation purpose. Number first one is organizing process leads to identify and to group the activities. So it is one kind of a process where we need to identify and we need to group the activity. Next one is grouping and assigning the activities is the task of administration, whereas processing according to it is a operational activities. So grouping and assigning the activities is the main task for the administration, but on the other hand it is very, very important to process this kind of activities with the operational activities, means by using the organizing. Thus, organizing facilitates administration as well as the operations of the organization. So that is why organizing is very, very important to facilitate the administration as well as the operation of the organization in its activity. On the other hand, it is very, very much important to understand that there should be a proper grouping of the task of the employees, and also there should be an increase in the production as well as the reduction in the wastage. So reduction in the wastage means optimum utilization of resources, and on the other hand increase in the production means maximum you all need to do is to focus in the production purpose and process, and with this the organizing can to make efforts to make the administration as well as the operational process very properly. On the other hand, duplications of the work, so the duplications of the work should not be there, it should be restricted, and also effective delegations becomes possible. So this is very, very important to understand that there should not be any errors, any mistakes or any duplications of the delegations of work in the organization. So with this we have completed our the first point, that is facilitates administration as well as operations. Move on to the next, that is brings specialization. So yes, of course, organizing is a process where it brings the specialization. How? Let's start. Organizational structure is a network of relationship in which the work is divided into units and departments. Yes, organizing helps us to divide the departments and units, and according to that, the relationship is going to be done between the units and the departments to work to complete the work in a proper way. This division of work helps in bringing the specialization in various activities of the organization. So this division of work is very, very important to bringing the specialization of the activities of the various activities in the organizations. Also, specialization in activities leads to increase in the organizational efficiency. So it is very, very important to make the things very much clear about the specialization or in the activities of the organization. On the other hand, the third point they are stating us that defines the job properly. Yes, they are also define the job very, very properly, like organizational structure helps in putting right men on right job, which can be done by selecting people for various departments according to their qualification, skills and experiences. So whatever the individual experiences, qualification and skills is there, based on that we have to define the job, we have to select the designation properly for that particular person, and we need to keep and hire that people in the organization. So this is helping in defining the jobs properly, which clarifies the role of every person. So of course it will going to clarify, it will going to define the job or the role of that particular job very nicely. So with this we have done. Thank you so much for your precious time. Have a nice day. Bye bye.